Unfold the secret guide. Download my secret guide that'd show you how I earn $200 plus from Capterra every month as a software, app, or website reviewer. They don't know this. Many software reviewers on Capterra don't really know the secret on how to earn bigger each month on Capterra, and that's why many give up. Gosh. But I got you. Don't worry at all. If you don't know how to make money online, you can start writing reviews on Capterra and earn hundreds of dollars every month. According to my experience, many writers on Capterra give up, hoping to earn money after reviewing softwares, without knowing how it works. Side income. Earning hundreds of dollars on Capterra is a great deal, trust me. You simply write up to 10 reviews in a month, relax and wait for your money to drop at the end of the month. Now, let's go. Click the link in the video description to download my Capterra ebook, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Act now. Download the PDF now.